holding on. They fill the pockets and the sleeves and now the chest and the lipstick of cheerleaders for the crib though. Yeah,
you're gonna be popular.
She said,
I'll help you be popular.
I knew this chick
I'll help you
named
be popular.
Blue Black,
I'll
what was her
help you
name?
be popular.
I knew a chick named Music who told me if I do her, that she would help to make me pop. You learn, but understand that I was chest clubbing glasses. Mr. I have never ever missed a class, and the promise of an honor roll, honor going mainstream had me fainting like a blind man seeing a painting. So I flew her to the Louvre. I dedicated every waking minute to her. Studies went toilet, my mind was on tour, and seeing me and her making plaques and them children.